Just take a look at how soft and spongy these corn cups are, and they're filled with cheese. This one is dedicated to the school kids. Above are a list of all the ingredients and their quantities. So we'll need some cornmeal, flour, sugar, eggs, essence, melted butter, milk, and we'll need some containers to do some mixing. So first I'm going to add my cornmeal into my bowl, and I'm also going to place in my flour. You can choose to sift the flour, I did not. Now I'm adding in my salt and my baking soda, and we're going to mix it to combine. Once it's combined, we're going to set it aside and we're going to work on our wet mixture. So to a bowl, I'm adding my eggs. I'm also placing in my essence and my sugar. We're going to give this a good mix until it's well dissolved. My bowl was too small, so I had to change it for a larger one. Now I'm adding in my butter, and ideally this butter should be fully melted. This would make mixing a lot easier. Once you have combined all of that, you're going to add in your milk, and then you're going to add the wet mixture to the dry mixture. Be sure to do it gradually, and for this step you can use a whisk or you can use a hand mixer, but I'm using a spatula because I do not want to over mix it. It may take me a little longer, but that's okay. It was totally worth it in the end. So you may notice I have few little lumps, and that's all right. You're not going to get dry cornmeal once you bite into them once they're baked. So now to a greased muffin pan, I'm placing in some dough. I'm not placing in a lot because I do not want them to rise and overflow. And besides that, I'm going to add in some cheese. So once I've covered all the trays with the filling, I'm going to knock it so that it can settle, and now we're going to place in a block of cheese. I'm going to place the cheese in the center of it, and I'm going to use my finger to press it down because you want it to go down to the bottom. Once that is completed, I'm going to use a little more of the batter just to cover that cheese. Now to an oven set at 365 degrees, you're going to allow this to bake for 45 minutes. Don't forget to, once you have covered the cheese with the batter, you want to shake it again and settle it. I'm also baking another one, but this one I'm not going to be placing any cheese in it. So to my greased dish, I'm adding the mixture. Once it's inside, I'm going to spread it out. I'm going to shake it and make sure that it's even, and then we're going to place that into the oven as well. This takes approximately 45 minutes to bake. Could be a little before that 45 minutes, but what you want to do is use a skewer and test it. My corn cups are out and they're oozing cheese, but that's quite okay. I want you to remember that you must cut your cornbread when it's cool, otherwise it will crumble. This turned out nothing short of being perfect. It was perfect in texture and in taste, not too sweet. I'm going to give my son this with a chicken salad for lunch. Look at how soft. Hope you enjoyed my video. God bless you.